using AI, like literally anything. Like, for example, if you're into programming or data analytics, if you're like learn about graph databases, oh, I've heard that graph databases are nice, and then you start digging into what is it, whatever, and then you can ask questions, and I think it's just great, a great learning tool.
Awesome.
You can ask to explain things, and like, because you can, if you're reading a book, and there's nothing compared to reading a book, and you should definitely read a book, but you cannot ask the book about that specific stuff.
Right.
Like, expand on that. Give me examples. Imagine that I was born in the 1800s, and I just read that. What does that mean? You know?
Makes sense. It's very interesting how you say, like, AI is more of an aid for everything that you do. It's a tool that will take you to another. If you're in level one, it'll give you a good like cushion to get yourself to level two, which we didn't have before. And if you're in level two, it gives you a good cushion to level three. So just thinking about like what you said, does giving that cushion, right? Is it making us less creative in order to go search? Because if I think about it, like when I used to code or when I write something, like for me, I can go and search an internet, like saying, hey, like how to, giving a lame example, right? SQL, right? Temp table. I want to create something, I know the query is not running quick. So I go to Google, I try to say like, oh, why is this not running faster? And I learn 10 other things in the process of searching that. So is AI hampering that learning curve or that learning pain where when you have a problem, here you go and you get one quick solution. But what used to happen before was that one quick solution was not so easy. You had to take 10 steps ahead, but in that 10 steps you would have learned 10 new things. Like what is your thought process on that?
I think that's true. That's true. It could hamper that learning. But before, only certain people would go that deep and like figure out the solution. Like now with AI, anyone can just ask the question and get the answer. So it enables more people to get to the final answer.
Right.
Yeah, maybe we did not learn anything in the middle, in the between, but you got it done. Whatever you got
What is
needed to
that
get it
done?
done. Uh,
Awesome.
but I, I, I don't know. We'll see. This video is gonna date great. Like it's gonna, in a few years we're gonna look back and you're gonna, oh my god, because I think people could not learn too well from now on.
Hmm.
Because I relate a lot to learning a new language, learning English. You have to use it. You have to go out and speak. You can If you just consume, you you don't learn it. You
Correct.
have to use it, right? When you're coding, you can read examples all day long,
Right.
and people get stuck in tutorial helps nowadays,
Oh,
right?
I've been in the run too.
And but if you're not just writing it, like writing it in there, you don't get to learn all too much. So with nowadays, with AI's help, you could hinder the process of new people like really learning it, like to do it like deeper, like someone that would do it from scratch would do it.
Mhm.
I think no one will do it from scratch in the future, right? No one today, I think, should be writing code like people before AI would write it.
Right.